With 890 feet of industrial living space, this condo drips of luxury and convenience. I'm Ashley Beauford with the Bethany Nelson Group, and let me introduce you to my new listing at 730 Stinson Boulevard, Unit 113. Located in the highly desired CW Lofts building of the Mid-City Industrial Neighborhood in Northeast Minneapolis, you'll love living within walking distance from coffee shops, breweries, and restaurants. This industrial dream features tall open ceilings, exposed brick, large windows, and cement floors. Built-in work-from-home space, in-unit laundry, and a walk-in closet all make this unit stand out and why it won't last long. So give us a call today to schedule your own private showing.